Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer. Right now we're looking at the bottle gourd section where there's absolutely zero life. Okay, so let's take a look. I'd like to grab what is left and see what the roots are doing. So this is what we'll do. We'll pull this up, and you can't really tell a whole lot by checking those roots, because it seems to have just mysteriously died. It could either be nutrient deficiency, a light deficiency. I mean, there's no telling. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna continue to keep trying to grow these guys. Let's pull another one that's gonna... I mean, I don't see the root borer nematode. If we zoom in, I don't see the root boring nematode here. So, it can't be that. But we are in a very tight space right here. If you look, there's a palm right there, and there's another palm right there. So if we gauge the space between, there's probably not much room for the roots to go downward. So going forward, I might have to change my strategy to try and get these guys to coexist here with the trees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel out a lot. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of these bottle gourds. Have a good day.